This how-to video will show you how to use, clean, and maintain your Shark CarpetForce. I will walk you through the basics of assembly and operation. To start, open your Shark CarpetForce box. Inside, you will find the main unit, wand, Shark solution, instruction booklet, and a quick start guide. To assemble the main unit, place the unit on the ground and insert the wand into the hole on the top. You should push down until it clicks into place. Note that the button next to the wand is not a power button. It is to release the wand. Now that it's assembled, let's fill up your clean water tank. Remove the clean water tank by pulling the handle up. Flip over to reveal the cap on the bottom of the tank. Fill with water until you reach the water level, and then with Shark solution until it reaches the concentrate line. For optimal performance, it is best to begin cleaning with a full, clean water tank. Screw the cap on tight and reinstall the CarpetForce tank by pressing firmly into place. Check the unit to ensure dirty water tank, upduct window, brush roll, and floor nozzle are properly installed. Note, if you want to carry the unit, use the carry handle on the rear. Your setup is fully complete. You are now ready to clean. Unwrap the power cord from the back of the unit and insert the plug into an outlet. Important points before we start cleaning. Please read your manufacturer's care instruction to make sure it is compatible with using a carpet extractor. We do not advise using the extractor on delicate rugs, wool rugs, or thin floor coverings. Avoid rolling over loose or long threads found on edges of rugs, worn carpets, or shag rugs. This is not a vacuum. To get the best clean out of the extractor, vacuum with a traditional vacuum prior to using the extractor. This applies to models with and without Hair Pro technology. The dial switches between off, deep clean, and express clean. Deep clean is recommended for dirty carpets that have not been cleaned in many months. Express clean is great for a light refresh. Both modes use the same suction and brush roll power. The main difference between the modes is that Express uses a light amount of solution, while Deep uses a heavier amount of solution. Express mode will have shorter dry times and your tank will last longer. For optimal performance, only pull the trigger to dispense solution on the forward stroke. On the back stroke, release the trigger. This will help avoid long dry times and unnecessary tank refills. Okay, now let's start cleaning. Choose your mode on the dial, gently step on the nozzle, and recline to start. Pull the trigger and push forward at a slow pace. Move at about 8 inches per second to give the unit enough time to extract the fluid. Keep in mind, if you go too slow while pulling the trigger, you might dispense more fluid than you would like, which could lead to longer dry times. On the backstroke, release the spray trigger. If you feel you need to extract more fluid, you can always go over the same area with the trigger released to pick up residual moisture and reduce dry times. When the dirty water tank reaches the max fill line, you will hear a distinct change in pitch to the suction sound. At this point, put the unit in the upright position, remove the dirty water tank, and pour out the dirty water tank. If you are continuing to clean, reattach the tank, bottom first, and pivot into position until you hear a click, and continue to clean. If you are done cleaning, let's get into maintenance, which is very important to avoid odors and ensure your unit is clean the next time you use it. Rinse the dirty water tank thoroughly, including the lid, debris cage, and don't forget the filter. Let air dry before reattaching. To remove the suction inlet, slide the 2 tabs backward. To open the brush roll cover, pull the tabs near the arrows. And to remove the brush roll, pull the tab on the side of the brush roll. Use a towel to wipe down the brush roll chamber. Rinse with soap and water and let dry before reinstalling. You want to wash the upduct as well. To access it, remove the dirty water tank, then remove the upduct by pinching and pulling the 2 side tabs. Always check your motor filter at the back of the nozzle by removing the vent door and cleaning off the foam by tapping out the debris. To store, wrap the cord around the carry handle and the swiveling cord hook at the top of the wand. To fit into certain spaces, you can remove the wand by pressing the wand release button and pulling the wand upward. Then, hook it onto the side of the body using the cord hook. For more information, support, and refills for chemicals, scan the QR code located on your guides or visit sharkninja.com. Thanks for watching.